Hey everyone, it's MKBHD here. We're back with some exciting news from the world of smartphones. Samsung is gearing up to launch the Galaxy A36 5G. Leaks and rumors are swirling around this mid-range contender. Today we'll break down everything we know so far. Get ready for the latest specs, features and comparisons. Let's dive in. Samsung announced the A36 5G on March 2, 2025. It's launching globally on March 26, 2025. However, our friends in the UK get early access with pre-orders starting now and a release date of March 19th. No official US date yet, but we're expecting it soon. The price, a competitive £399 in the UK and likely around $399 in the US. The A36 5G is getting a design refresh. It's slimmed down to 7.4 millimeters, a whole millimeter thinner than the A35. We're also seeing that new key island design with the power and volume buttons combined. The camera bump is now a sleek vertical strip. It's giving me serious Galaxy S25 vibes. Color options look pretty sweet too. Awesome pink, awesome olive, awesome graphite, and awesome light gray. The display is a major upgrade. We're talking a 6.7-inch AMOLED screen with a buttery smooth 120Hz refresh rate. It's also rocking 1900 nits of peak brightness. That's bright. Say goodbye to glare, even in direct sunlight. This is a serious step up from the A35's display. The camera setup is decent, although some might see it as a slight downgrade from the A56. You get a 50-megapixel main camera, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens for those epic landscapes, and a 5-megapixel macro lens for detailed close-ups. The front-facing camera comes in at 12 megapixels for all your selfie needs. Powering the A36 5G is a 5,000 mAh battery. It supports 45-watt fast-wired charging, although you'll have to buy the charger separately. Unfortunately, no wireless charging here. Under the hood, we've got the Snapdragon 6 Gen 3 processor. This chipset promises a 6% performance boost over the A35. It's paired with 6 GB of RAM, and you can bump that up to 8 GB if you opt for the 256 GB storage option. On the software front, the A36 5G rocks Android 15 with Samsung's One UI 7. You're also getting 6 years of OS and security updates, which is fantastic for longevity. Samsung is also throwing in some AI features like Now Brief, AI Select, Circle to Search, and even integration with Google Gemini. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy A36 5G seems like a solid mid-range phone. It's got a sleek design, a vibrant display, and some decent specs. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching.